Hey Fixers, welcome back to MrFixIt. Today I'm super excited to show you one of Windows' coolest hidden gems, Command Prompt, or CMD for short. It might look simple, even a bit intimidating with that black screen, but trust me, it's pure power in your hands. What exactly is CMD? Think of it as your direct line to Windows. No clicking around, just typing commands and getting things done. It's like having a secret conversation with your computer, and it listens closely to every word. No fluff, no distractions, just you and your PC working together. And what can CMD actually do? So much. Whether you want to check your internet, fix annoying glitches, manage files, or even launch hidden system tools, CMD lets you do it all. It's what IT pros swear by, and now you're about to join that club. How cool is that? Here's a fun fact. CMD's been around since the early 90s, first appearing with Windows NT. That means it's been quietly powering Windows for over 30 years. And it's still going strong in 2025, but still essential. How does it work? You open it, type a command, like ipconfig, hit enter, and boom, instant answers from your computer. It's lightning fast, and it works even when other parts of Windows are slow or stuck. That's real reliability right there. Why is CMD still relevant today? Because it's lightweight, reliable, and packed with features you can't find anywhere else. When something breaks, CMD is often the hero that saves the day. It's the trusted toolkit for pros and beginners alike. Here's a cool little secret. You can save CMD commands in .bat files to automate boring tasks. Imagine telling your PC to do all the hard work while you relax. Now that's smart. So, next time you see that black window pop up, don't freak out. That's not a scary glitch. It's your gateway to power and control. And now, you're one step closer to mastering it. Stick around, because next up, we're diving into PowerShell, CMD's powerful big brother. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MrFixIt for more awesome tech breakdowns. You got this.